Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morenike and today I'm showing you another gadget that I bought for my Osmo Pocket 3. This time it's a neck mount that I bought. It's for hands-free filming, so you attach your Osmo Pocket 3 to the neck mount and you can film point of view top-down shots. So it'll be good for cooking, going to events, or drawing or painting. So I'm going to show you now how I attach it to my Osmo Pocket 3. I already unboxed it off camera. This is the neck mount. Feels rubbery, quite lightweight and very flexible. I don't know what this is for. That's the bracket that attaches the Osmo Pocket 3 to the neck mount. This is a bracket that you attach to the neck mount. And then there are some other attachments. I think you can also attach your phone to this neck mount. I might try that as well. So this is how you lock it around your neck. It should just snap into place. And then to release it, you just press this button and it slots out. On the front is where you attach the mount. So it's a magnet and then you twist it on to lock it in place. So it's quite a strong magnet. Okay, so it's on. I'm just going to twist it till it locks into place. So that's now locked into place. And to release it, you would just press this button to release it. So let's press it and then you twist and it should release. Whoa. That's how you set up the neck brace, and let's attach the Osmo to it. Okay, so here is the brace, and you slide it up onto your Osmo. Oh, what about let's put the wrist wrap through it. There's no space for it actually. It's a snug fit, so hopefully Osmo won't fall out of this. Is that right? I think it can go on a little bit further. Can it? Okay, so that's attached. So now we need to attach the Osmo with the bracket onto the neck brace. So you're going to want the Osmo to be facing you, the screen. So we slot the Osmo bracket into the neck brace bracket. And then we're going to thread through the lock and lock it tightly. So now Osmo is attached to the neck brace, and you can rotate it on your neck. Okay, so should I put it on now then? I'm going to put it on. Okay, so here is the neck brace. I'm going to unlock the strap. There. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's quite comfortable, but I can imagine it getting really sweaty, and I don't know if it will be that sturdy while walking. I don't know if Osmo can just fall out. Yeah, I like it so far. So hands free. I'm going to go and test it out now. Feels okay. It is quite heavy. I think after a while the weight will start to bother me, and I'm a bit worried that Osmo will fall out when I start walking. But let's see. Sassles. Sassles.